Hi, I didn't think I was going to get a chance to take part in the Summer's Woodworking Build a Bird Box competition this year, but then I stumbled across this bit of firewood. It's actually been a little bit burnt, got thrown on the fire, and then I realised this old knot hole make an excellent entrance to a bird box. So I'm going to knock up a very quick bird box based around this, and I hope you like it. So the plan is to build it onto the back of this piece of wood. I'm going to have a base, or floor if you like, sloping roof and just a single side. I'm going to build that out of this 6-inch piece of waste pine. Should make it big enough for birds like sparrows and blue tits. Pretty much what I wanted, but a little bit untidy. So let's go and get the shooting board. So this is going to be the roof, that's going to be the floor, and that's going to be the single wall. And I think that'll be a big enough cavity for little birds. So let's get it down on a flat surface, get some glue and stick it together. Well, would you believe it? I came to glue it up and then suddenly realised I've made no provision to put a back in. So I'll hold off on the gluing up, I'll get the Stanley number 50 out and put a groove in the back of the roof, the side and the base, so I can put a panel in for the back. Well, I actually laid my hands on the 45 quicker than the 50, so I've set that up with a grooving bit. And that's the roof done. And that's the base done. I've got a piece of ply for the base, and just to mark the right size for that, if I take away the sloping side, slip the ply into the groove at the bottom of the side and the base, make sure it's all lined up nicely, and I can mark where the groove runs out. And then join that together with a straight line and cut it off. So there we are, got the base in. Now I can glue the joints up and pin them. Now this will be really difficult to clamp up, so I'm just going to pin it. Now you should maintain your boxes from time to time, so I don't want to fix this onto the front too permanently. So I'm just going to put a few dabs of glue and then some pins from the other side. And when we need to take it apart, we better pry it off with a screwdriver. So I need to know where to put the glue. Or would you believe it, we're out of pins. And little birds are going to want something to land on, so let's just put a little perch outside. So, job done, and it only took about half an hour. It may not be flash, but it'll be a lovely home for a little bird. Thanks to Summers Woodworking for putting on this contest, and I hope a lot more of you will enter. Cheerio!